monkey thing. Hell, I've been talking about this forever. And it's like it just goes over our head. And at the end of the day, it's real money. We ain't even talk about what's going on in the jail. I'm gonna keep going back to felonies not filed, 1,000 of those, 26-day average length of stay, spending $1.4 million. Those individuals just kind of seem to be in limbo. 26 days, and they're just there. And a magistrate, they won't get together and do like San Antonio, give a magistrate power. We need to get legislation to talk about how we hire the magistrate, since we're the policymakers. Nobody wants to be the policymaker. We're the policymakers. Let's put it on our agenda to hire the magistrate.
Well, and I think, Commissioner, that you're right. I mean, everything you have said is, completely right and to the point. However, as you all know, we all got this email memo from the criminal district courts. 14 judges of the criminal district courts, led by Judge Stephanie Hobbs, send us, this memorandum with 7 points. 7 points of what they believe could be the solution to not only, decrease the jail population, which is something that we all care, and I think every single department that is involved in the criminal justice system cares about this. Now, it's not that simple with the system that we currently have. And like you say, Commissioner, all these points getting together, and some of these ideas have been around by 1 or 2 people or 3 people, and they have been knocked down by 1 or 2 or 3. Nothing here really is new other than we haven't implemented. So,
No, that's not true.
and well, we have done 1 piece, 2 pieces, but like she says, we cannot fix this single-handedly.
Sure.
It's going to have to come to some point of mediation, to some point in the middle where everybody feels comfortable to make some of these changes. Let's face it, the magistration, attorneys magistration, in the past, nobody wants attorneys, inside the jail that are not vented. The reality is, I don't know that there's going to be that many on a weekend.
Pre-pandemic, we had no attorneys inside it. We had a 4,700 jail population number. We were at 4,700. Today, we're at over 6,000.
Commissioner, and I get it, but things have changed after the pandemic.
What?
And the district judges do not have the computer system or the access to the magistration that is provided to some of the people in the jail. Can I finish?
No. You're saying stuff. Stop.
Let her finish.
No.
Please let her
The
finish.
computer system, as the
Are
computer system,
you
as the
done, Dr. Garcia?
as the computer
I will
system
let the
changed,
commissioner
has the
finish.
computer system changed, Ms. Kraft? Has the computer system changed?
That the jail uses.
No, for the last 3 years. I just said pre-pandemic, we had 4,700 people in the jail. To now, we have almost 6,300. You just brought up the computer system. I'm addressing that. Has the computer system changed? For you to beg your pardon?
Not that one, but the one they use at the magistrates in the jail. That's what they have to do, a lot of these things by hand. And that's why this continues to be an issue, because they're not all at the same page. Now, I'm going to because we can stay here hours, and Mr. Richardson, I don't want to put any of my stuff in the front of the discussion, because this is something that as Commissioners Court, we have to be able to help them fix. The judges are saying that if we do the changes, these 7 points that they are putting forward, they could decrease the jail population by 1,000 people in 4 to 6 months. That is what I'm looking at, Commissioner Price. And I respect everything you say, because fact by fact is true, but put all together in the mix, I don't know. I don't know that, we can fix it just by looking at certain things without putting them together. So at this point, I am going to, going to try to help them to make a pilot program with these 7 points. Hopefully, I know I have talked to several of departments individually, saying, hey, how much can we come to the middle, try to be progressive, try to change the system, and try to improvement. And if at the end of the tunnel, we can decrease by 1,000 people in 4 to 5, 6 months the jail population, Commissioner